Hey there! So let's dive into an interesting problem many Windows Server users might face. You see, under Windows Server 2022, a user had blocked port 21 UDP to CP because it wasn't being used. However, when running Nmap scan, the results still showed port 21 as filtered FTP. Quite a puzzling situation, right? The user was wondering why this was happening. They had always believed that a port without any rule would be closed by default. Could it be related to the stealth mode feature used by the firewall? Let's find out. In the solution provided, we learn a couple of key points. First off, the distinction between a port being closed and filtered in Nmap. If a port shows as closed, it means the OS explicitly refuses incoming packets, while filtered indicates that the firewall is blocking those packets. Interestingly, the default behavior of Windows Firewall is to block incoming packets unless there is a specific rule allowing them. This explains why the manual block on port 21 didn't quite have the desired effect. Now, onto the stealth mode aspect. By default, Windows Firewall applies a stealth behavior to all ports that are not explicitly open in both directions. This means that ports marked as filtered in Nmap fall under this stealth treatment. Disabling stealth mode would result in a different response for packets with blocked packets being dropped quietly, and allowed but unlistened ones receiving a TCP/RST. To wrap up, understanding how Windows Firewall operates with stealth mode can shed light on unexpected Nmap results. Remember, filtered doesn't always mean closed, and the default rules play a significant role in packet handling. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the tech world.